When you eat a meal, do you consider the food's origins? When you go on a walk, do you notice the diversity in plants? Thanks to bees, we can put fresh fruits and veggies on the table, and the outdoors are rich in foliage. Although there are many pollinators, bees are considered the most important pollinating species in the world. Their simple mission to pollinate plants contributes to a much larger and more complex framework within the environment. Such a framework supports species diversity across the globe and allows ecosystems to thrive. Flowering plants, or angiosperms, have male organs known as anthers. About 6% of angiosperms have poricidal anthers, a specialized structure that keeps pollen granules inside and selectively releases them to certain insects. Bees use vibrations to open poricidal anthers and access the pollen. When bees do this, they drop some pollen from other flowers onto stigma, the plant's female organ. This process, known as buzz pollination, fertilizes plants and enables reproduction and propagation. In recent years, bee populations have declined significantly. Some factors include loss of habitats, pesticide use, climate change, and poor nutrition. One way people help bees is through beekeeping. Beekeeping provides bees with some fundamentals for survival, including hives for shelter, medications, and new queens. These are Italian bees, a type of honeybee. Although rather vulnerable in certain regions today, these bees survived the last ice age by residing in northern Sicily. They produce considerable amounts of honey and exhibit a gentle temperament. Their iconic honeycombs are made from beeswax. Though originally circular in shape, they take on a hexagonal orientation due to their proximity to other holes, pressing on the walls and thereby changing the shape. Beekeeping is a proactive way to support bee populations and keep natural areas pollinated. Climate change has caused a host of issues in the environment, including extreme heat waves, droughts, floods, and crop failures. Unfortunately, heavy rainfall has disrupted bees' foraging patterns, and droughts are discouraging farmers from planting additional areas for bees. This has led to a drop in bee populations, which is highly concerning. Without bees, humans lack food security. But it doesn't have to be this way. Planting trees for shade, making gardens small or large to encourage foraging, and eliminating pesticide use in natural areas are just a couple of ways to support bee colonies. Learning about our pollinating friends is an effective first step in taking action to prevent failing bee populations. Saving the bees means keeping food on the tables of millions.